approach helicopter 204 Mike Charlie. We just lifted off 5 north of International with Yankee. Will be direct to Riverside at 1000.
Helicopter 204 Mike Charlie, roger. Squawk 0330, remain clear of the class, Charlie.
0330, cleared up Charlie, 4 Mike Charlie.
Helicopter 4 Mike Charlie, radar contact 7 miles north of Tulsa International. Said you're about to Riverside.
Yes, we'll be direct to Riverside, 4 Mike Charlie.
Helicopter 4 Mike Charlie, proceed on course Riverside.
On course Riverside, 4 Mike Charlie.
Helicopter 204 Mike Charlie, contact Riverside Tower 120.3, good day.
Contact Riverside Tower 120.3 for Mike Charlie, good day. Riverside Tower, helicopter 204 Mike Charlie is with you.
Helicopter 204 Mike Charlie, Riverside Tower, and proceed straight in, you can land the jet center.
I would just like to enter the pattern.
Helicopter 4 Mike Charlie, roger, stand left traffic, runway 1 left, you're number 2 to follow Cessna on a 3-mile final.
1 left, number 2, following Cessna, 4 Mike Charlie.
4 Mike Charlie, just follow the Phenom heading to your left. You can turn your base shear discretion number 2, runway 1 left, clear for the option, use caution, brake turbulence.
Number 2, clear for the option, 1 left, 4 Mike Charlie.
Helicopter 4 Mike Charlie, squawk VFR and make left traffic to runway 1 left, and you'll see another helicopter that's heading to your left, inbound at about 1,600, about a mile northwest of us, to land at the field.
Alright, searching for traffic with squawk VFR. Make traffic for 1 left, 4 Mike Charlie.
553, traffic's a red and black helicopter at the north end of runway 1 left. They're going to be in left traffic. They should easily pass behind you, though. 553, Charlie, thanks. Helicopter 4 Mike Charlie, the other helicopter should be just about off your left door now.
Traffic inside, maintain a visual, no factor, 4 Mike Charlie.
4 Mike Charlie, thanks. Runway 1 left, clear for the option.
1 left, clear for the option, 4 Mike Charlie.
Tulsa approach, this is Life Team A3 squawk on Smith Creek. Life Team A3, Tulsa approach, say destination. We're going to St. John's with a flash. Life Team A3, radar contact 5 miles west of the Haskell Airport, proceed on course St. John's, Tulsa altimeter 3032. 3032 for Life Team A3, thanks.